if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna get right into it, y'all. So I'm going to be taking my Athena palette from Bad Habit. I will be doing a makeup haul soon, so I get more in depth on this palette and a few other palettes that I use in this video. But yes, I'm going to be taking the first shade. I don't know the name. Hold on, I'll check. Hold on. So first I took the shade Purity, and that's just like a beige light tan shade, and I use that to set my eyeshadow base. Then I went into the shade Heroic, and I'm using that as my transition. And then I use the shade Clever for the crease, just to deepen it up a little bit. So as you guys can see, like when I did my transition shade and my crease shade, I kind of take it really far out my outer corner so that when I go and sharpen it up, it has a really nice winged out effect. Now that's something that you can do if you don't have tape on hand, which I didn't. I don't normally use tape. I'll use it every now and then if I want like an extremely sharp winged out eyeshadow look. So as you can see here, I just took a really nice peachy shade and I put that with my transition shade as well because I wanted this to pull more peachy tones, even though I'm going to go in on my lid with an actual like really nice peach light tan shade. So yes, I'm just blending that out, and then you guys will see in a second how I took some concealer and I sharpened up my eyeshadow. Like, oh girl, yes, you see that is a nice sharp effect. It's all nice and winged out, and this is something that you can do if you're a beginner with wing liner. I know it can be like really difficult and stuff, so you can always use this as your guide. It'll be a lot easier. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and I'm gonna blend that out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. I like to use the other side because it just blends it out better. So yeah, I'm just doing that. So yes, I don't know who told my camera to change lighting, but it's gonna go back to like how it was before, but that doesn't matter. So you guys see me carving out my cut crease. Now I typically like to do glitter cut creases, which you'll see later on throughout the video, like how I did that. But my whole point of saying that is when you carve out your cut crease and it's not like perfect or it's not the same shape as the other eye, that's okay, because when you go in with your glitter liner, it's not, you can't tell. So that's perfectly okay. Don't worry about that. So yes, that's just what I'm doing. I'm applying the eyeshadow, which those two shades were Valour and Purity. Valour is like a pinky peach, but I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, so I mix it with Purity. And yeah, so after I apply those two shades, I'll take my crease shades, which was Heroic and Clever, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners just so everything blends and it has that nice cohesive like gradient look.
Too shy, I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And
so now you guys just see me trying to pick which glitter I want to use and which one I think that will, you know, go best with it. So I believe I use True Copper by Bulk Glitters. Those are the only glitters that I use. They're really affordable. I guess I can include those in my haul too, because I use them so much, and I did buy new ones, but it was just a long time ago. I just never showed them on camera, so I guess I'll include those so you guys can see you know, how they are and everything like that. So yes, I just take some lash glue and I take my little liner brush and I apply the lash glue first, and then I'll just pack on the glitter.
I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I'm your love, just wanna be your girl.
All right, y'all, so this is where it gets real. So I'm starting out my wing liner, and what I like to do is draw the tail first, and then I go in and do the line on my lash line. I know a lot of people do it you know, the other way around, but I just do what works best for me. Yeah, so I just do that, and I use my NYC Liquid Liner. If I haven't already said that already, I don't know. But yeah, so I just use that. This is for more like, you know, for people who can actually, man, fuck, I don't fucking know what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh. Okay, so NYC Liquid Liner, I would use this when I get more like comfortable with wing liner or whatever. But if you are a beginner, I would start out with using a angle brush. So now I try to stay in frame as much as possible. But yeah, I'm starting on my Arabic wings. Now for Arabic wings, I don't care how advanced you are or how advanced I am, the angle brush is just like the best way to go doing these steps. So basically all you do is just make a triangle. And once you sketch out your triangle, all you want to do is just make sure that it's lining up with the line on your lash line, like how I'm doing now, and then you just fill it in. And the only reason why I use my NYC liner for this step is to just fill it in so it's a lot more darker, because I, you know, tend to notice that gel liner is not as dark as the NYC liner. So yeah. And I'm applying my Colourpop luster dust thing, whatever, highlight. And this is in the shade Hit Rewind. It is my favorite highlight color ever. So as you can see, it's popping. And I'll leave all the brushes that I use in the description box below. So yes, your girl is glowing. Oh, and I didn't do this on camera, but I put 2 little glitter dots in my Arabic wings just to add just a little bit of character, a little bit of spice, you know. So now I'm taking my lip liner and I'm going to be lining my lips. Then I'm going to take my Kat Von D lipstick in the shade Agatha, which is like a really pretty pinky nude. And then I'm going to top that off with the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte liquid lipstick. And that's in the shade, I don't know. But I'll put it in the description box, of course, because I can't remember the shade. But yes, so that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, I'm so pressed I like included my liner and stuff like that, because usually I don't. I be struggling. But yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Ooh. Bye, guys.